Okay, to answer questions 12 and I believe 19 from the geometry homework, 12 and 16, we're going to use this diagram that I've drawn. It's, in the directions say find the measure in parallelogram LMNQ, and to explain your reasoning, well, as we look here, it tells us this is a parallelogram, so we know in a parallelogram that opposite sides are congruent. So everything in red will be things that we've added in. Everything in blue is already given. So in this case, if this side QN is 13, this side LM is 13. If this side MN is 8, then side LQ is 8. If this part of the diagonal QM, if this part PM is 8.2, then QP is also 8.2. If this part of diagonal LN is 7, the side, what I mean, this piece is PN, then LP also has to be 7. If this angle QLM is 100 degrees, then angle QNM also has to be 100 degrees, and this angle and this angle have to in total equal 80 degrees because consecutive angles are supplementary, and 100 plus 80 is 180 degrees. So to answer the questions, we have 12 and 16. 12 says the length of LM, so the length of LM is equal to 13, and that's because opposite sides are congruent in a parallelogram. And 16 says angle LMN, and angle LMN would be 80 degrees. And you could say because consecutive angles are supplementary in a parallelogram. Again, you could also use opposite angles. That's assuming that you had found this information first. But either one is okay as long as you understand why. And that's how you answer questions 12 and 16 from tonight's geometry homework.